for my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes, so you can wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Well, I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep your silence up. No, you don't fool me. The hurt doesn't show, but the pain still grows. Some strangers to you and me. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it in the air tonight. Oh Lord, oh Lord, well I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it in the air tonight. Oh Lord, oh Lord, well I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord, I can feel it in the air.
Good morning. I deliberated making this video. I paused even more posting it, and then I thought, fuck it. Had some truly amazing times in the scooter community, and want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who started the Hophead Scooter Club with me. Everyone who supported us along the way, helped organise the rallies, the events that we had, the Porters and Passes night, the crab feast at Jen's house, the crab feast at Patapsco Park, in Ocean City. Thank you, Colin, very much. Everybody, just, it would not have happened without you. To everyone that organised the rallies that we attended, John, Heather, Adam, Eric, all the guys up in PA who did Whiskey Dick, thank you. Those were truly amazing times. Dogwood Classic, two main to mention there. That's just really great rally. Same for Indian Summer. And Ginger, Not Summer Point, all the guys from Soul Survivors. TMI rally was one of our first rallies that we attended. Didn't get kicked out, but pretty close. Thank you to everybody who ran that. And it goes on. The world doesn't stop. This is going to be the last video I post, and I am not buying another bike, vintage, automatic, motorbike, or otherwise. I had my motorbike stolen from my house a year ago, 2 years. I can't remember now, and not going to buy another one. I'm also not returning to Facebook for the foreseeable future. Just more bullshit I don't need in my life. And I do have another channel, but that's mostly just for vacations and such. As you know, some of you know, I got into investing 5 years ago, and my wife and I, we've set a date to retire, and that's in 5 years. So my wife and I plan on retiring in 5 years' time and doing extensive traveling. So that's it. Love you all. And that's it. Love you.
I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know. For love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, the can-can's such a pretty show to steal your heart away. The backstage back on earth again. The dressing rooms are great. They come on strong and it ain't too long, but I make you feel a man. But love is blind and you soon will find you're just a boy.